Hi, welcome to the MuleSoft tutorials. This is Akash, and in this video we will go through the SFTP component, which is like secure file transfer component. So what we'll do in this lecture, we'll first fetch the file from the secure server and we store that file on our local. So to start with, we'll go to new, we'll create one new project, Mule project. Let's say SFTP proj. We'll click on finish. Yeah, so we'll have sft proj .xml. Here I will fetch SFTP connector. So we will use SFTP as an inbound connector. So it will check on particular location on server, and if the file is present, it will fetch the file. And if you want to read the file, we can read it, or if we want to transfer that file on our local, we can do that. So first of all, we need to do the configuration. So for that, we need to create one SFTP component configuration. Everything looks good. We have name, identifier we don't need right now. Properties, connection is not required, file is not required, proxy is not required. So whatever you will do in authentication, we'll do it later on. Click on OK. So to read the file from the SFTP, we need SFTP server. So what we'll do, we'll use one public SFTP server, which from where we'll read the file. So you can write it down. One of the public SFTP server is this server. So the server, so this is a WinSAP to connect on the SFTP server. So host name is demo.wftpserver.com. We'll copy this. We'll put in this host, and port number is 2222. We'll copy that and we'll put that in port. And then we have username. User is demo user. We'll put that user in demo user, and password is also demo user. So we need to have a path. So after login, we will get two folders for that server. So this is public SFTP. So one is for upload only, one is for download only. We'll go to download folder. So we're trying to download these files from this server. So we'll copy this path download and we'll give that in download and save it. Now what we'll do is we will try to download that file on local. So we'll have a file component to download that file. So let's say I want to download that file in resource. So I will create one new folder inside resource, file, new folder. Let's say folder name is out. Click on finish. And here I will give the folder name. So src slash main slash resource says slash out. And file name, what output we need as a file name. So this I will let you know where we'll get the file. So right now I will save this and put one logger, and I clone it, put a toggle point. I will check everything's fine over here. It looks good to me, everything. We have a logger, we'll log payload, and then we have file. For that we need to give a configuration, file configuration. So one is the auto delete. If the file is after reading the file, it will auto delete. So right now I'm writing on, so it's not required right now. Click on OK, save it, and we'll try to run this project. Debug as mule project. So it is deploying on my local, and we'll see if this successfully deployed. Then we can move further. So it's still going on. Yeah, successfully deployed. So we in inbound we have SFTP, so it automatically triggers after a particular time period. So that is the polling time we have to give. We already given that. So after 10 of I think 10 second, this will automatically trigger. So it already triggered. It asks me to change the perspective. So we are in logger right now. So file name is WTF server Mac 186.gz file. The same file this is trying to fetch this file. So in inbound properties, we'll get the file name, and then original file name. Where variables don't have anything, sessions nothing, that's nothing. So in inbound properties, we'll try to give that file name. So in file, the output pattern file name should be inbound properties. So to see something on the fly, we can use Control Shift I. This is like inspect element. Then we can write message dot inbound properties. So here we have three things. File name is this. So I will write dot file name, enter. So this is the file name. This thing I will give in this pattern. So whatever is the output, I will get the same file on local. So I will save it. So this will auto deploy. I will put F8. Can open this is already there are a few files which already, so we'll delete this file. Since I have not given the name over here, it is taking the the correlation ID. I will delete it. Okay, it's already pressed. I'm not able, I cannot delete this. So again, this will trigger SFTP and will come to logger, and then we have file connector. We'll put F6 and then F6. So this will copy one file to output folder. Here it is the guns file. I will put F8. Again, there's one more file. Then there are four files. Those four files will copy over here. F5. So we can. So it's still going on because files are already present and is trying to fetch on every 5 seconds. So I will stop this and we'll refresh this. So you can see all four files and manual PDF we had downloaded on my local, which were present on the server. So in this way, we can fetch the file using the SFTP connector from secure server, and then we can use that file according to our need. So you can try this. So you can use the same SFTP location server, that demo SF WSF WFTP server 2222. Download is the path and demo user is the username and password. So I think that's it for today's this video. See you in next video. Thank you.